Hey everyone! So the app that I chose to go off of is Kahoot. And Kahoot is actually an app that I'm pretty familiar with. I parapro from time to time, and every teacher that I've ever paraproed for uses Kahoot in one way or another. And so in our school system, they have two choices. So the children, when they get done with their work or whatever they're doing, they have an iPad that's assigned to them that they know that they can go and use at certain times, and they can either get on PBS Kids or they can use Kahoot. And Kahoot is a quiz system that is really, really great for strengthening exercises, memory exercises, and just testing their knowledge. And it kind of helps them learn as they go. It's a really, really great tool to use, and it's completely customizable, completely you can personalize it based on your personality. It's really awesome. And it's really easy to use, which is what I love about it most. So, this is just a sample quiz. Up here, I've got the title, so it's Get to Know Your Teacher. And they have templates that you can use as well. This is actually one of the templates. I just went ahead and customized it myself. So, the first question would be, what is your teacher's name? And as you can see, it's pretty customizable there. You can put the time limit that the children have, and what's really cool about it is they can actually go against one another. So if one student is playing on Kahoot, another student can get on Kahoot and they can kind of battle it out. So it kind of brings out their competitive side, I guess you could say, and it encourages them to get those answers right. And what's really cool is even as a teacher, you get to play with your kids. So when I'm in my parapro class, and the kid is done, usually we have one or two kids that are done way before anybody else, and that's the first thing they want to do is they want me to hop on and they want me to play against them. And sometimes I'll even get questions wrong on purpose. But that's what this point system is for. You can also choose single select. So if only one of the answers is right, of course you would use single select. And if they can choose more than one, you would do multi-select. And now my favorite thing, this is just a picture of me. You can upload any kind of picture, you can remove it. But my favorite thing is this right here. I think this is really cool, especially for more maybe elementary or preschool, kindergarten. Let's say that this was a picture of a rooster or hen or something like that, and they needed to guess the name of the animal, then this would be really great for that as it uncovers the picture a little bit at a time. You can do that in a 3x3, a 5x5. You could also do it in an 8x8, which is my personal favorite. And then down here we have our question choices or answer choices. So we have Miss Doe, Miss Butterfly, Mr. Smith, and then I can just put my own name here. Pretty easy. And then they would just select their answer. That would be the correct answer. They would get it right and they would move on to the next slide, next question. Pretty much the same thing. Your teacher teaches blank. And again, right here, if let's say I taught math, I could put some math symbols here to uncover, and they can choose that correct answer. It's really easy to use. It's really beneficial. This is probably one of my favorite apps that I've ever seen teachers use. I feel like it's very, very interactive, and I feel like if you don't know about it, you should definitely know about it, and you should definitely look into using it and downloading your own application just to kind of play with it because it's a really great tool to use. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I do hope that you get some really good use out of Kahoot.